Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start the video. In this video I am going to show you how to install a quick heal antivirus in any laptop or desktop. Simple and easy to install a quick heal software. Let's start the video. Open Google Chrome and search quick heal and enter and click on first link and it goes to another tab. And click on left side top, we see quick heal icon, just click on that. Once again goes to another new tab. Click downloads options and you'll get this. We need to download software, right? Click on download software and here enter the product key, enter without hyphen and enter the given code in that place and click on submit button. Here is two options it will be showing. If you want any type of software, click on that. I need this one, so I will click this one and see the right of the top, downloading our software. Wait some time and click on downloaded file. It will be open. The file is unpacking and you'll see here select what language you want and tick I agree box and press let's start and it will be installed your software. So that's it for today guys. If you are watching newly my videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching our videos.